Hello and welcome to this mixed test for Key Stage 3. So in this particular test, you've got various different types of questions. So I thought we'll look at one particular question based on Pythagoras theory here. So work out the side marked by the letter M, correct to one decimal place, then choose the correct option. So remember, we're working this out to one decimal place. Now, first of all, if you're not sure what Pythagoras theorem is, then we use the following formula to work out Pythagoras theorem. So A plus B equals C, and all have to be in squares. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now, why do we use Pythagoras theory? We use Pythagoras theorem to work out the length of a side of a triangle. Now, we always have to, first of all, label the sides of the triangle as well. Now, in this case, we're working out M. So the longest side of the triangle is what we call C side. So this is going to be C, where 8 is. A is usually opposite the angle. So the angle of the triangle, or the shorter side, for example. Okay, so we're going to label this here as A, and B is the side next to the angle, right next to the angle. So in this case, if the angle were here, then B would be the side that we're actually looking for. All right, so A squared plus B squared equals C squared, and B can also be the medium sized length as well of a triangle. Okay, so now we've got ABC labeled. So let's just put the numbers where they belong. So B squared will be 6.5 equals C squared will be 8, and plus A squared is just going to remain as A squared. All right, so now we have A squared plus 6.5 equals 8 squared. Now to find A, we're going to turn this equation around, and we'll do 8 squared take away 6.5 squared equals A squared. All right, so we're just going to work this out now. So first of all, let's just work out what A squared is. So A squared, we know, is going to be 64. And 6.5 squared, if you work this out, comes to 42.25 altogether. And now we're going to work out what A is. So we're going to minus these two numbers together, first of all. So 64 minus 42.25. So 62 minus 42.25 gives us an answer of 19.75. Okay, 19.75. And at the end, when you get the answer, we need to square root 19.75. So square root 19.75. So actually, let me just rub this out very quickly, because I've just realized a very tiny small mistake that I've made. So 64 minus 42.25 will come to, in total, 21.75. So make sure you do go back and just double check everything is okay. So let's square root this number now, 21.75. So if you were to press the square root button, 21.75 on our calculator, that will give us an answer of 4.66. Now we're looking at an answer to one decimal place. Now because 6 is bigger than 5, that can get, we can just round that up. So it would be 4.67 will be our overall answer. So M, the measurement of M will be 4.67 altogether. All right, so that's our answer. So we're looking for M, and M equals 4.67 in terms of our overall final answer as well. Okay, thank you very much.